The vocals aren't too loud now, it's okay.
Nah, sweet.
Can't you, bruh? Just can't use it as a gun.
Easy.
Back in 2 minutes, you're gonna be film stars.
Yeah, bruh.
Sound of the slums. Burn City. Check it out. Yo, this for the real slums and all the straight cunts. The straight cunts that are dealing just to eat lunch. The cunts look at us and stare like we ain't much, without the slightest fucking clue to how we came up. We straight slum and hate none but fake cunts who say they hustle every day but never made much. See, being where I'm at now, I've gotta stay proud. I've come from cold nights, sleeping under playgrounds. I've come from being an addict and always feeling the taste, to being easier rapper that you can see here today. So now the music that I make's for them young cunts, the slum cunts making money off of dumb cunts. I'm trying to make them see that there's a way out, but once you make the choice to leave, then you've gotta stay out. Chase your dreams like the money and they're bound to be done, but join the rest of the West to hear the sound of the slums. It's like that's the sound of the slum. Yo, we rock Nike, Adidas, all that. Burn City slum cunts stay making more stacks. It's just the way we was raised and how we came up. Yeah, we straight stay getting paid and never change up. But no illusions on the real, this ain't the best life. This is the struggle of growing up on the west side. Got stuck playing in the meanest game where cuz of flex. Just trying to ease the pain, cause no one sees the stains that we've all got in our hearts. For us this motherfucking struggle hasn't stopped since the start. Straight copping it hard, with no one caring or helping. I guess that's just what you get when you're from the west side of Melbourne. Fucking especially Melbourne, every cunt straight hating, cause we be taking making the cake. We ain't faking. Burn City, if you ever hear the sound of a gun, then don't trip, just duck, cause that's the sound of the slums. It's the sound of the slums. Burn City. And what entertainment. That's what we're all about. We're all about the streets and the boys. Free hogs, free shanza.
Yeah.
He's one the fucking illest.